For this fluency activity, add tens. You're going to need your whiteboard, marker, a dice, and a recording sheet for you and your partner. For step 1, partner A, so you guys decide who's going to be partner A, who's going to be partner B. The first person, partner A, will write, or you can draw a number using quick tens and ones between the number 10 and 40. So it can be like 27, 16, 39, but nothing higher than 40. So you cannot use a number like 45, 100, 200, 99. The numbers cannot go higher than 40. Then partner B, the person who was not writing or drawing the number, is going to roll their dice to determine the number of tens that you're going to add. So for example, if you roll a 5, then you're going to add 5 tens to partner A's number. If they roll a 2, then you're going to add 2 tens to the number partner A wrote. Step 3, both partners are going to write a number sentence on your whiteboards and check each other's work. So if partner A wrote 25 and then partner B rolled 5, the number sentence should say 25 plus 50 equals 75. Step 4, write the correct number sentence on the recording sheet. Then you're going to repeat the steps 1 to 3 until you have filled up the recording sheet.